Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Cherry KW7100 Mini BT or Bluetooth Wireless Slim keyboard. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm purely sharing with you my experience of using this so you can make an informed buying decision. So let's get on with the review. You can see the box here. This is a UK layout keyboard. It's a very compact Bluetooth keyboard. We take a look round on the back here. We have got some of the main features and specifications listed. It really is a great looking keyboard as well. Can't wait to show you it. We've got 3 Bluetooth 5.1 channels. You can connect up to 3 devices on this. We've got AES 128 encryption, status LEDs. We've got scissor technology, which is really good, gives us a good typing feel. It's nice and compact. It runs off of 2 AAA batteries. You do get those supplied inside the box. We also get some instructions. We get this nice carry case because this is a portable keyboard, so really nice. It's like a neoprene case. And then of course the keyboard itself is absolutely stunning. The batteries go in a compartment on the underside. We have got a switch here to turn on and off. We've also got a little reset switch in there if we need to use that. And then we've got the keyboard itself. It's so slim and very, very well made. Primarily a plastic construction, but a really good quality and grade of plastic. A nice texture on the top here. You can see we've got a full row of function keys. Function keys 1, 2 and 3 allow you to switch between those Bluetooth devices. So you could have a desktop, a laptop and maybe a smart device connected to this and just switch easily between the 3. A very, very nice quality of keycap as well. These have also got a nice texture to them. I think it just looks absolutely stunning. Now behind the keys is this really vibrant blue colour. I really do like the way they've done that. It's not backlit, but they've done this just so that it makes the keys stand out. Now the typing action, well, let's take a listen to it and then I'll give you my opinion. It's a really nice typing action. We've got a nice amount of travel on the keys, even though this is quite a slimline keyboard. We've got a nice responsiveness to the key presses as well. So just the right amount of travel on these keys. It's like a chiclet style keyboard. It just performs admirably. This is nice and portable as well, of course. You can slip it into that case and take it with you on your travels. It's just a very nice, productive, slimline keyboard. I think they've done a really good job on this. Those AAA batteries should last for a long time as well, especially if you remember to turn it off. It's just a very nice value proposition. Excellent typing action, nice design, and it works extremely well. And as such, I can highly recommend it. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, then please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.